Welcome to another fitness video. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I'm a physical therapist who's going to be teaching you today how to strengthen your core. Well, why is that important to start before we get to our exercises? The core is like the platform of our body. It's like the trunk of a tree. Without a strong, sturdy tree trunk, we wouldn't be able to have our branches and we wouldn't be able to stand up nice and strong. It's the same idea with our core. So we really want to make sure that we do some simple exercises to make sure that we're strong. So in this little circuit, I'm going to run you through a variety of exercises. Now you can choose to do one, all of them, or just a few of them. It's up to you. In terms of repetitions and how long to hold the exercises for, it really depends on your strength. What I want you to do is feel the fatigue, feel the burn in your muscle, but not pain. Any pain, discontinue the exercise. So the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to come onto our back here, and we're simply going to raise our legs out. And depending upon how strong you are, you can lower your legs and hold. Why is this exercise a good exercise? You are not curving your back. You're not bending your back. Your back is neutral during this exercise, which means that it's a very safe core exercise. Now, this is actually a pretty hard exercise. So what you could do is start out with one leg holds and alternate, or shorter time periods of holding, or different heights of holding. Another great exercise is what's called the dead bugs. You're going to hold your arms up, and we're going to alternate, bringing our arms back and our knee in. I want you throughout all of these core exercises to go slow and controlled, making sure you're maintaining your form. Now, here's one last really good exercise, is you're going to keep your back neutral, knees up, and then you're just going to tap. Now, if you want to make the exercise a little harder, you can bring your arms out. Essentially, that's challenging the top of your core as well as your bottom of the core. And then it's basically a version of the dead bug, but you can then extend your legs out as you start becoming stronger. So those are a couple quick and easy core strengthening exercises, which you can do in bed or on a nice yoga mat. Thank you so much.